Now it is even easier to make transfers to and from outside accounts and pay your Christian Financial loan with an outside account. To make a transfer to or from an outside account, navigate to the Transfers menu and select External Transfer. To make a CFCU loan payment, navigate to External Loan Payment. If you're in the mobile app, navigate to the More menu and select External Transfers or Pay a Loan with an External Account from the Move Money menu. Follow the prompts to add your external routing and account numbers. Once the information is added, click Continue. To validate you own the account, a series of 2 small deposits will be made into the external account. Once the deposits are made, select Validate Account from the Manage External Accounts menu. Enter the amounts of the 2 deposits and click Continue. Once the external account is validated, you may now set up a transfer or loan payment by selecting Schedule External Transfer from the Transfer menu. Enter your transaction details, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Schedule Transfer. You may also set your transfer to repeat on a predetermined schedule. Follow the prompts to complete your transfer. Transfers or payments made before 2 p.m. Eastern will be initiated the same business day. Transfers made after 2 p.m. Eastern will be made the next business day. To remove any external accounts, select Delete Account from the Manage External Accounts screen. For more details on external transfers and external loan payments, please visit our website at christianfinancialcu.org.